Hello everyone. We are going to start our object-oriented programming course with the Eclipse introduction. In this module, you will learn about integrated development environments, Eclipse IDE, how to create a Java project in Eclipse, how to create a Java class in Eclipse, and how to run a Java program in Eclipse. Now, integrated development environments have been an important innovation for the software development community. Why is that? Because IDEs boosted software development productivity. And when you get a software development job, it's very likely that your company or institution will be using an IDE among other software development tools. And there are many IDEs such as Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans, MS-DO, and others. Now, IDEs help software development in many ways, and especially IDEs automate processes such as compiling, linking, building, and so forth. And IDEs mostly come with many packages and libraries included with their installation. And IDEs allow plugins to enhance the development environment. And these plugins may include configuration tools such as Git and SVM. And there may be some other plugins for testing frameworks such as JUnit. Now, why are we learning about Eclipse? Because Eclipse is a widely used integrated development environment in industry. And the reason behind that is that Eclipse support both Java and C++. And these programming languages are common programming languages that are used in many software developments. Eclipse is free and open source. It can be enhanced with many plugins, and it also comes with many packages. And here is the start screen for the Eclipse website. You can take a look at the Eclipse from its website, eclipse.org. And when you install Eclipse, you will have a welcome screen. And in the welcome screen, there are many tutorials that can help you get familiar with the Eclipse IDE. In the tutorials, you can see how to create a Hello World application. You can create a new Java project with the help of the tutorial. You can check out projects with GIP. You can learn about importing existing projects, and you can also learn about how to open an existing file and so forth. So you can get an overview. There are many tutorials with it, and it comes with many samples. So I suggest you to take a look at the welcome screen and try to go into these links to learn more about it. You can close the welcome screen by pressing the X near the welcome writing. And then you will see a fresh screen after you close the welcome screen. Now let's take a look at how to create a Java project. As you can see, there is a toolbar that has some menus, and in the menu file, when you click a file, you will see that there is a new drop-down menu, and in that menu you will see new, and then you are going to click Java project. In the new dialog box will appear. In the new dialog box, you are going to type in your project name. You may use, for example, my Java project. And then you will press finish to create your first Java project. There are some other options where you may use later on, but for now they're not needed. So just type your project name and then press finish. After you create your first project, as you can see over here, my Java project, the Eclipse IDE will create some folders for you. it will actually import or place necessary library files. And right now, the example that I'm using included Java Standard Edition 17 files, system library files, and then you will see a folder named SRC. It's short for source. So all your source files will go under this source folder. Then you have to go to the source folder src, and then you're gonna right click on the source file on the source folder, and then you'll see the new drop down menu, and you'll select new. When you select new, a new drop down menu will appear, and then you will see a number of file type that you can create. And first we are going to create a package. So this is how you create a package with Eclipse IDE. And you are going to press package. And when you press package, for new Java package, you're going to see a new dialog box. And in the dialog box, the name section will be empty, and this is where you are going to type your package name. Normally Java has a naming convention, and we will learn about this. You may use all small letters for naming your package. Let's use my Java package name, and you are going to press finish. And when you press finish, you will see that your package appears under the src folder. Then you are going to press the my Java package again, right click on it, and then you are going to see the similar drop down menu, and then you are going to press new. When you press new, again you will see the same drop down menu where you can create different types of Java files. Now we are going to create a class, so you are going to select class. When you select class, a new dialog box appears. Then you are to name your class. And here, let's use first Java program. Now, class names in Java starts with a capital letter, such as F in capital letter over here. And then each word starts with another capital letter. So in first Java program, you'll see F is capitalized, J is capitalized, and P is capitalized. And since this class file will include our main method, we are going to select the public static void main, and we are going to check it, and then we are going to press finish. When you press finish, you will see that under your package, your class file is created. And on the right hand side, you will see that your the newly created Java file has the name on it, and then the Eclipse IDE created some code stub for you. And you'll see that your class name, first Java program, and then you'll see your main method, such as public static void main, and then this is the command over here, says to do auto-generated method stub. You may delete this later on, but you may also leave it for it. And we are going to see that how commands are created in Java programs. Now, let's type the code system.out.println, and then you're going to write hello world. So this is our hello world program. And when you type in this code, you will see that there are disk icons under the edit. But you're not going to press edit. You'll just see that these will change color, and this will have light blue color. And there are two icons over here. One icon is for a single file, and then the other icon is for saving multiple files. when you write your program, you're going to press one of these. And since we only have one class, one file, we can just press this one. If we modified multiple files, we should press the other one, which will save all of them at the same time. And let's start and let's run our first program. In order to do that, we have an icon, which is a green circle with a play icon. And it's located under the refactor, but you're not going to press refactor. It's just located under that menu item. And when you press it, it will run your program and the output will be shown in the console. As you can see, there are some tabs over here, and the console uh, is already highlighted for you, and you'll see the result of your program, which is printing out the string "Hello World." Now, this is the end of our module.